Advantages of buying a new home construction. Why are new home communities popping up everywhere? What is the attraction when you get an existing home for less? Hi, I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty in San Jose, California. I understand these concerns when you are thinking about making a move. I have been in the real estate business for many years and have sold a lot of new construction homes as well as existing homes. They both have benefits. However, when we experience a seller's market with a shortage of active homes to choose from, new constructions offer many advantages. These advantages include being move-in ready. Number 2, having higher energy efficient. You're going to have lower monthly bills and the newest and latest technology, as well as better air quality. Number 3, low maintenance costs because of the state-of-the-art appliances and a new HVAC. Number 4, fewer unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. And number 5, newer and more modern floor plan that offers innovative use of space and style. And number 6, a custom designs to fit your style and your choices of options and upgrades. Number 7, top-notch new communities amenities. Number 8, buying with confidence because of the home warranties. Typically, there is a 1-year builder's warranty and an 8 to 10 year structural warranty. And number 9, builders may offer financing at a better rate. If you need help for your next move, feel free to connect with me. I'm always happy to assist. I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty, helping you make the right move.